we start screening at 40. Sa Pilipinas kasi, what our society and a lot of oncologists would recommend na 40 or 40 years old ang umpisa ng screening. The reason behind it is because we're getting a lot of young patients with breast cancer. So if you look now at the demographics of breast cancer patients in the Philippines, we're getting a lot of young patients already. Because historically, ang pinakamarami po na breast cancer usually are the menopausal age. But we're getting a lot of premenopausal patients already. 40 is, we recommend already getting annual mammogram and ultrasound. A more ideal screening would really be a mammogram, okay? Mammography. Kasi a lot of patients would tell us, wag ng mammogram, doc, because it's painful. But it's useless po if you get an ultrasound. The reason why mammogram, because kahit hindi po pa nyo nakakapa yung bukol, hindi pa tumutubo, makikita na natin yung mammogram. That's why it's called screening, because we can screen you already and we can probably prevent you from having a cancer of the breast. Because an ultrasound can never be a screening tool because ang ultrasound ang makikita, may bukol na kayo. So diagnostic na siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin makita ano yung bukol na yan. So going back to the question now, what do we do with the findings? If you look at your results kasi sa mammogram, meron numero kayo na makikita doon. Meron 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and there will also be 6. Yung 6 kasi, it's basically may cancer na yung pasyente. Pero ang screening, magdedepende kami kung kailan uulitin basically yung resulta. Pag makita nyo sa mammogram result nyo, ang nakalagay 3, for example, ang BIRADS category 3, uulitin natin basically yung examinasyon na yon na mas close to hindi annual. Pwede natin gawing 6 months, uulitin natin in order for us to monitor kung ano man nakita. Pero pag BIRADS category 4 and 5 already ang makita, we have to be aggressive. Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Kasi yung 4, meron na tayong sinasabi, medyo may suspetsya na may cancer na nakita doon sa mammogram. So yung 4 na yon, ilang porsyento, normally it's about 20%. Pero yung BIRADS 5 naman, 80% ng pasyente doon sa mammogram niya, kadalasan ay cancer na ang makukuha natin. So when you talk about when you're going to repeat it, it will all depend on the result of your ultrasound and your mammogram. But ideally, the mammogram should be done annually, starting at the age of 40. But if you have a very strong family history, for example, katulad nanay mo, merong breast cancer, kapatid mo, merong breast cancer, we start the screening early. Sometimes we will recommend at 35 pa lang, we will screen already you with breast cancer. But don't get us wrong in the society or which I represent, because sometimes makikita nyo sa literature or sa ibang bansa, 50 ang recommendation, 50 years old. No? Pero kami, as early as 40, we want you to be screened because early screening can save you. Pwede kang masalba. Pwede masalba yung buhay nyo if we screen you early on rather than waiting for 50 years old. Size, sabi nila, it matters. But
Tama ka na si
pero ang size po kasi sa aming oncologist, actually it's irrelevant sometimes. Bakit? May mga maliliit kasi na bukol na ang tingin namin ay cancerous. Kahit gani ko kaliit po, kailangan magamot, matanggal, maoperahan. Yung laki po kasi, ibig sabihin na lumaki na po yung bukol na yun, ibig sabihin po napabayaan na. So you have to remember po, tandaan na ang bukol na napabayaan habang lumalaki ay lumalala. Basically, malala na siya, no? Nagnanaknak na, nagtutugo. So you don't wait for bukol that to happen. So in terms of size po, hindi talaga yung size ang minsan tinitingnan namin. Ano ba yung character niya? Ano ba yung itsura niya? Ano ba ang tingin namin sa bukol na yun? So, hindi ibig sabihin maliit, hindi delikado. Hindi ibig sabihin malaki, delikado. So, it all boils down to ano ba ang assessment ng doktor. So, you have to consult an expert opinion because size will not be a determinant in terms of kailangan bang operahan o hindi. But make sure, hindi naman kami mag-oopera basta-basta kung hindi naman kailangan. Kasi yung mga bukol minsan are benign conditions, pero naman hindi benign o malignant, we have to do something.